Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making your Twitter account private. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, open up the Twitter app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the homepage. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, tap on Privacy and Safety. Turn the toggle on where it says Protect Your Tweets. When it's switched on, it will turn green. Your tweets will now only be shown to people who follow you, and you will have to approve each new follower. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Twitter tips and tricks.